are you gonna do?
This is my personal grudge with Chuan Honglin. Long time no see. Didn't play with you 5 years ago. You left scars on my face. You have to double the compensation today. Let you know how powerful I am.
Let her go. This is Paige. You can let go of your wife.
Patient, not that. Long-term group will be afraid of you. Believe it or not, I stab you with a knife. There are really people who are not afraid of death. Exactly the same as Chuan Honglin. 有关系 does she have anything to do with Chuan Honglin?
You best don't talk nonsense. Don't worry about me. You go quick.
I see where you can go.
You dare to touch the family. That's why I should go.
What do I tell when Chuan Honglin is not here? Guess if Chuan Honglin is still alive now.